There, look at that. We're going to take him over here and start knocking around. We might just do a bit of cutting here. Righto, here we go.
I can't lie, it looks a lot nicer than the one sitting in the window cooked like, all cooked and ready to go at Mooloolaba. No, it really does. It's got a nicer colour and...
I agree.
No, what you do, pull this back and then pull this. There. Now these bits we don't want to have anything to do with. Now Brendan, if you just give me something to pour the juices into.
Yeah.
What do you think you don't want? Over there.
Don't want.
You won't want that, but I will.
I'll put the rubbish this in there.
That stuff that you just tipped out, you're going to eat that?
This, yeah.
Yeah, right.
I'll look at Brendan won't. Now we break this up something like this. Yeah.
Wow.
These little blokes you don't want to have anything to do with. Putting in the pot.
You've done this before?
But see, isn't that lovely there? All the legs are there, like it's a perfectly intact crab. And
Yes.
We wash this out soon, okay? We wash it out soon.
Yeah, what do? You put that under the tap, do you?
Yeah, because you've got some stuff here.
Yeah, right.
But I'll do it.
Okay.
You see, I actually don't mind that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I know. I've seen people eat that sort of stuff.
So from now on when I do that, I'll put it straight in there.
Claws look lovely. This is going to be a good video. People are going to love to see this.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to wash this out? Yeah.
So you know how you cooked it in the salt water?
Yeah.
Has that salt water sort of gone into the flesh and
Certainly.
make it taste a bit salty, or
No, absolutely. Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
And what do people do? Do they add salt to crab, or is it usually salty enough?
Oh,
Like when I say add,
I-
as you're eating it, do you salt it, or
no, I don't. I wouldn't do it.
you wouldn't? Yeah.
Now, what sort of things do I need on the table for this, Ken?
But I'm going to do the whole three of them because
That's all rubbish.
it's
But you're going to eat that. That doesn't look as appetizing as the rest of the crab, but
my will's to read it.
so this one's even better than this one, I'm told by my friend here, because it has more meat. He said there's even the possibility that the ugliest crab over there might be the best one. And it turns out he is a brilliant one. With all the flesh, by far the best one.
Definitely.
Wow,
No question.
you called it.
Yeah, well,
Laughed and joked that it would be the best one, and it ended up being right. I think he knew, honestly. Whoa. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Is it really nice, Rich?
I've got it.
There you go.
Beautiful.